In this book, we're going to read 2 stories. This story is called A New Bed. This bed is too old to sleep in, said Mr. Mac. I will take it to the dump. Let me take the bed, said Mrs. Mac. She put the bed on the truck. Mrs. Mac went down the road. She did not go to the dump. She went into town. Mrs. Mac took the bed to the junk shop. The man in the junk shop gave Mrs. Mac some money. The man in the junk shop put the bed in his shop. Mrs. Mac went home. We need a new bed, said Mr. Mac. Mrs. Mac took Mr. Mac to the junk shop. Look at this bed, said Mr. Mac. He sat on the bed. I like this bed, he said. This will be a good bed to sleep in. Mr. Mac gave the junk shop man some money. He put the bed on the truck. Mr. Mac had a smile. Mrs. Mac had a big smile. I will have a good sleep now, said Mr. Mac, and he did. The second story is called The King's Clothes. What will you wear to the party, said the Queen. I would wear my purple coat, said the King. No, said the Queen, your purple coat is too old. I will wear my yellow coat, said the King. No, said the Queen, your yellow coat is too old. I will wear my black boots in my blue jeans, said the King. Yes, said the Queen, your new boots and jeans are just right. Thank you for listening to our new story we just made.